Okay, Mr. Makumbe. Yes, time is up. Yes. Okay, Makumbe, thank you. Thank you so much, Makumbe, for that contribution. We're going to pick another call on the program. Come through and be a part of this debate. Good morning. Hello. Twakabu na mwaka bwanji.
Bwino mwaka bwanji, babosi.
Okay, Walevi.
Tulemba.
Okay, but okay, my lady, thank you. Okay, thank you so much, Levi. Thank you so much for coming through. Let's get your reactions.
I'll start with the Comrade Levi. Gulibe vopumula yai tuli kusevenza and twasevenza economy tunapa twaipeza ni ZB infrastructure. Na hizo mkongole za Mungu kamba pati twakanga kulipia tumazilipia. Because if you have not been paying up to this time, we would have heard that every month that is going, we are failing to pay $47 million US. But to the pillar, and despite having these challenges of health that we are going through, we have continued paying the civil servants. We have continued paying for the fuel that we have. If we had failed even to run this economy, we would have had problem with the shortages of fuel. Shortages of maize, would have the shortages of even all these essential commodities. But despite having all these challenges, I think we have demonstrated there is no bigger challenge like the one we are facing today. It is in this hard time that the country, parties like the MMD, they used to keep a 3 billion in reserve, but ourselves, despite having put that 3 billion into investments, into infrastructure, we have continued making sure that these mono products that determine the economy of this nation, they have continued being available. Availability is the key word. We have fuel, it's available. Munamvera papangona papamamba kalama trackers because they want the government to give them their arrears. They are almost stopping. People are concerned, but because of the environment that we are in, the president has demonstrated leadership. People understand the challenges that we are going through. the maize that at one time we had a bigger challenge with, we have made sure by putting in all these borders, the national service from 2017 to where we have food security in terms of the maize meal, and then also other foodstuffs, also rice and other strategic commodities. So these are very important parameters. The other one which I talked about is the civil servants. Our civil servants, they have continued being paid every month. Not even one have you heard that the environment is not okay. Apa manje apa ma doctors wakapokola sivanafole manje for the past from March to where we are, because the pandemic started in March, but because of proper critical thinking, and then also the critical path that we have taken, we have made sure that the engine of the economy, the wheels have continued running. So these three important things, that's why you have to tell the people that you were operating well. If the civil servants, my salaries were not paying them, it was going to be disastrous. If the civil servants, they had the major challenges to do with also equipment, we're going to have big problems. But as a Patriot Front, we have continued demonstrating. And I've already talked about these other mono products and the commodities that have continued coming into this nation. And the other important aspect is that we also import medicine. These medicines, they have continued being made available. And when you talk about these divorces, which Mr. Mainda, is it Belevi was talking about, also the other, is it Mr. Makumbe? Marriages, they also move with the population. When we came into power, I think Zambia, the population was somewhere, I think 12 million to 14 million. Today we're talking about the spiraled to almost 18 million. And then also, if you look at the reason why people, they are these divorces, you find that it has to do too much drinking. Maybe women, they are indulging themselves in drinking as compared to 10 years ago. Our Zambian women were not participating in this. And what is making people to divorce also, it's affluence aspect. Other people from nowhere, Sweden Nakamoto, 2010, you remember very well, some of us, we never had vehicles. We never had all these, also the gadgets that are also contributing to this immorality. The gadgets, the cell phone, we didn't have Facebook. There are a lot of people now who are making, who are having access to this information through these gadgets. The social media also, it is also a major, almost 50% of these divorces. You find that they were is it because of the same social media? So, Balevi, when you're talking about marriages, they have nothing to do with the indicator of what is happening in Zambia. They have nothing to do with poverty. You find that even people divorce, there are those who even have today, like that guy who was remarried, he marries this woman, and then tomorrow he goes to another Catholic church to marry. They have money. They even have white weddings. So when you are talking about divorces, these people have divorce certificates. They are the ones who have in fact money, because he has now become rich. He has a vehicle, he has a house. He wants to let go of the old marriage. So these are some of the things that we wouldn't want to do on too much. They are nothing to do with the Patriot Front. They have nothing to do with the Zambian politics. But they have too much to do with Zambia as a Christian nation, only morality. So we are talking about these issues of character, and the character can only be built through listening to the word of God. So let us not tie politics of HH, politics of Edgar Chagwarungu to the fundamentals of our institutions, and that is marriage itself. So these, they can only be tied through the church. The church has a bigger role to play than the PF, because ourselves, we do not talk about marriages. You marry this one or marry the other one. No, those are all the communist politics. So I think under Hitler, is the one who was looking for an Aryan race. He's the one who used to tell people, marry this one, marry the other one. But for us, or divorce the other one. Those who wouldn't want, this is the modern world, and wouldn't want to dwell on things of marriages and tying them.
Thank you so much.
And on the debt,
Yes, time is not with us. I know you would have loved to respond to that, but it's already 12 hours. We are running into another program.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Mr. Chandler Erasmus Mukondo, for finding time to be on the People's Debate.
Thank you very much. I'm really humbled. Next time I'll ask for part 2.
Part 2. That's right. So we thank everyone also for listening into the program and for calling and even for texting. We haven't read some of the messages, but we do pray that come next time we're going to read out your messages. This has been today's debate with Erasmus Chandler Mukondo as a guest. My name is Caesar Sindele. Until Friday when I return with another edition, have a good afternoon.